Hi guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican, and I know you watched part 1 and part 1 was just so very interesting. I am Tanya, and in this section I am continuing with sayings that Jamaican men will say when they think that their woman is giving them a warm time. Have you ever listened to a Jamaican man saying things when his woman is giving him a warm time, whether they're arguing or saying something that that is just so unnatural, and they just say things, but sometimes I do believe that they mean it, but the females, because they're arguing, the female is not comprehending or understanding at the time as to what is happening. All right, so remember to watch part 1. Part 1 was uploaded, and this is part 2, just a brief follow-up as to continue on the 7th. So we had done 4, so I'm going to continue with the next 3. But the Jamaican patois, the patois word of the day is Mannish. The word of the day is Mannish. I want you to think about the meaning of the word, and at the end of this show or at the end of this presentation, I will tell you what Mannish means. Now, the fifth saying that a Jamaican man will say when he thinks that his partner is giving him a warm time is "Give me back my ring." Give me back my ring, and that is give me back my ring. Give me back my ring. All right, so he will marry you, but in a case where the relationship becomes so frustrating and you just ningy thing, positive, nothing uplifting, and confusion, it is a possibility that the man will ask you back for his ring. But when he's asking back for it, and we say, give me back my ring. Give me back my ring, right? Give me back my ring. But unlike me, knowing that I am a single person where me can't bother, I would have just take off the ring same time and give it to him and move on. Because guess what? I get frustrated very easily. Very, very easily I get frustrated. So if he asks me for his ring, I will definitely give it back to him. Alright, but at least when he thinks that his woman is giving him a warm time, he will ask for the ring. The sixth saying that a Jamaican man will say is that he will say, Gwaan back a your muma. Gwaan back a your muma. Gwaan back a your muma. Go back to your mother. So, right, I was watching this video on Facebook, and the man was arguing with his girlfriend for saying that she was wasting the soap powder. The soap powder, right? So he said that she was wasting the soap powder. Big argument, neighbor come over, everybody in the argument, and them a quarrel and a cuss and a Gwaan. And then the man just keep on saying to the lady, Gwaan back a your muma. Gwaan back a your muma. Make you no galan back over your sister them where you come from. Me no know where me pick you up for. Galan back a your muma. And she was standing there arguing with him. If it was me, I was just saying to myself, why this lady not just go in the house and pack up her things and go and back her mama? Right? So sometimes when they keep running you in arguments, sometimes they mean it. They mean what they're saying. If that's the basis of the relationship, every day you get up, you argue, things not going right. Sometimes they're better out there for you. You have men out there that will treat you like a queen, right? So what a man will do when he thinks that you're giving him a warm time, he will run you back to your mama, and we say go on back to your mama, right? Which simply means go back to your. Now the final one, the 7th one out of the top 7, what a man will say when he thinks his woman is giving him a warm time is that then we charge me for murder. Then we charge me for murder. But when he says that, the English is they will charge me for murder. They will charge me for murder, right? Now, sometimes Jamaican men, they're stressed out. The problems keep going on. It keeps continuing. A lot of females, they don't know how to incorporate a lot of positive into their relationship. They don't know how to turn the relationship into something positive. So what they do, they're like this. And the man brain is like this. Right, all over the place, and confusion and everything, and it feels like there is no way to solve the situation. But ladies, you better be careful, because if a man say to you, say then we charge me for murder, just think about it. Maybe he's contemplating it in his thoughts. So you have to take these words very serious and just be careful, right? So he normally says, then we charge me then we charge me for murder. And sometimes when he says that now, you know, so they come out of my house part would have come in there, right? So you see the connection, the link to everything when they're frustrated, some of the things that they will say. So I am going to say all three together and just see how it turns out, right? Give me back my ring. Gwaan back at your mama, then we charge me for murder. Give me back my ring. Gwaan back at your mama, then we charge me for murder. Right? And sometimes we just need to be very careful out there, and we need to twist things around too, we females. And nowadays it's all about positivity. You have the best relationship ever because you try your best to make your partner comfortable. Now, the Patois word of the day that was given was Mannish, 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 and this means to behave like a man. To behave like a man. This is usually said to a young man when he is acting grown. So they will say, "How you some mannish boy?" If he's 10-year-old and him has some big shot. Adults will say, "How you mannish, so boy? You're too mannish. Go sit down. You're too mannish," right? So mannish, it means to behave like a man. Remember, you can always send me an email, tanya@jamaican@gmail.com, and leave your comments below, and also share with me what are some other things that men say when their woman is giving them a warm time, right? Just leave it in the comments below. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Little more. All right.